Welcome to Bacho ki Duniya!
Hello, kids! Let's learn colors with flying balloons. Are you ready? Yay! This is red. Red like an apple. This is blue. Blue like the sky. This is yellow. Yellow like the sun. This is green. Green like the grass.
This is purple. Purple like grapes.
This is pink. Pink like cotton candy. This is orange. Orange like an orange fruit.
This is gray. Gray like an elephant.
This is black. Black like the night.
This is white. White like snow.
This is brown.
Brown like chocolate.
Great job, kids! See you next time. Bye-bye.